Dear visitors and all my esteemed subscribers, I am Mostafa. Welcome back to Ornate Peexels. In this video tutorial, I will give you all the technical support to build a powerful 400 plus 400 watt stereo audio amplifier. Let's get started. I have designed this circuit board for you. I will give you a high resolution PCB layout image file to make this PCB. So keep watching the video. I will install the transistors here later. The light components have to be installed first. These resistors work to control the collector base current at the moment when a high wave signal is output from the transistors. These two resistors will work for the emitter biasing of the audio driver transistor. TDA 2030. Basically it's a operational amplifier IC. The forward bias with audio signal is taken from pin number 4 of this IC for the base of the two driver transistors. Minus 12 volt regulator IC and plus 12 volt regulator IC. Dear friends, to make this amplifier, I have attached a circuit diagram and PCB layout in the video description. You can download it from there. Copper prints are very thin. The print acts as resistance when the required current flows through the transistors. So you must use this wire to supply the same amount of current to each transistor. Okay, our circuit is ready. Now the power supply. I have used this 35 ampere bridge rectifier for dual power supply. 10,000 microfarad 150 volt capacitor. You must use thick gauge wire for positive supply, negative supply and ground connections in the circuit. I am connecting this transformer to test the amplifier. Its secondary coil has 45 volts, CT 45 volts. Dear friends, I made an ordinary connection to test. In the next tutorial, I will bring you a nice graphic equalizer for this amplifier. Here I have connected two 150 watt 16-inch speakers with one dynamic tweeter. Okay, thank you so much.